Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the hip strip, and the government plans to spend over $1 billion to develop the hip strip in Montego Bay. This is the actual road that we're looking at. The official name is the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, but it's also known as the hip strip in Montego Bay. Now this is like a popular tourist destination in Jamaica because you have a lot of hotels, you have a lot of restaurants, you have Margaritaville, you have Starbucks, you have Doctor's Cove Beach, you have Harmony Beach Park, which was just refurbished, and it's somewhere where tourists can come and just walk up and down freely. They have security, they have police. As you can see as we drive through, it's a very nice place. And the government is trying to transform Montego Bay into like the tourist center, not only for Jamaica, but for the Caribbean. And a lot of hotels are being built. The Spanish Court Hotel, which is going to be coming up on the right soon, was recently refurbished. It's opened. You have the Vista at Montego Bay being built on the hip strip. Harmony Beach Park was just renovated. It's now open. You have Harbour City, a huge commercial development going on right beside the Harmony Beach Park. Although I don't think that development will directly be on the hip strip because it's on another road, but it's right at the intersection with the hip strip. So a lot of activities going on in Montego Bay. It is the most visited tourist destination in Jamaica, the most visited place by tourists, because 85% of all the tourists that come into Jamaica come in through the Montego Bay International Airport. I'm so sorry, the Sangster International Airport, located in Montego Bay. Okay, that's the Spanish Court Hotel on the right, and then straight ahead beside the hotel on the right is Starbucks, and then Doctor's Cove Beach. So it's very important for Montego Bay to continue its development. There are so many projects going on in Montego Bay. Never before in Jamaica has this level of development taking place. You have hotels being built, you have plazas being built, the airport is being renovated, you have the Montego Bay Perimeter Road being built, you have a highway coming in, Highway 2000 is going to run from Kingston to Montego Bay. You have the Northern Coastal Highway that will take you from Ocho Rios and Falmouth to Montego Bay, and that road also goes all the way to Negril. So much is going on in Montego Bay, and as a matter of fact, so much is going on in Jamaica. It's unbelievable. Never before has so much development taken place in Jamaica. And retourism, never before have so many hotels been hotel rooms been under construction at any one time. It's unbelievable the amount of progress that's going on in Jamaica. And okay, so we're going to go through an article that talks about in more detail what the plans are for the development of the hip strip. And the Tourist Enhancement Fund is going to be spending $1 billion to upgrade this hip strip. And also they have another major project, but we're going to go into more detail in another video. But where the cruise ships come in, they want to build a promenade so you can walk from the cruise ship terminal over to the hip strip, and it's going to run along the coast, literally over the ocean. And that's another huge project, but we'll go into that one in more detail in another video. Okay, on the right now is Margaritaville, and there is no cruise ship in port today. Actually there is, but straight ahead that is where you would see that's a cruise ship here. Alright, so we're going to go through the article to get more details as to what's going on with the project. The Tourism Enhancement Fund will be spending approximately $1 billion Jamaican to upgrade the hip strip located along Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in Montego Bay, St. James. We are going to upgrade the entire hip strip from the roundabout at KFC straight to Dead End Beach. We are spending $1 billion for the upgrading, said Chairman of the NTT, Godfrey Dyer. He was speaking at the St. James Municipal Corporation's multi-sectorial forum held at the Montego Bay Cultural Center. The proposed hip strip development incorporates physical improvements and new product development, with the scope of works to include widening sidewalks, rerouting overhead utility cables underground, creating thematic facades and other renovations to further boost the aesthetic appeal of the city. We have advertised already for architects to do designs, and the applications have come in. We will be looking at the applications over this week because we want to start very early in the new year, Mr. Dyer indicated. Once we have the designs put together, we will be having meetings like these to show Montego Bay what the plan is and what we will be doing there, he added. Mr. Dyer noted that the TEF is committed to making Montego Bay a beautiful city for both tourists and locals alike. The St. James Municipal Corporation's multi-sectorial forum was held under the theme Building and Sustaining a Resilient City. The event featured heads of agencies and other stakeholders making presentations on topics related to health, disaster risk management, infrastructure, and traffic management, policies, strategies, policing strategies, COVID-19, and vaccination, among others. Alright, so that's the end of the article. And this is a very popular road in Jamaica, especially for tourists. So it's very important that they improve it as much as they can, because it definitely is an attraction in Montego Bay. And one of the things they should think about doing, I'm not sure, is rerouting the traffic. You shouldn't have people driving up and down the road like this. There is an alternate route. When you come from the airport, you can come over the hill and come out by the intersection where Harmony Beach Park is. So it's not necessary for persons to be driving along this roadway like this. That's just a suggestion that might actually have other impacts on the business or the businesses on the strip, but just something to think about. And we'll give you more updates on the promenade and also keep you updated on this project, which is the hip strip renovation project. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.